But now, give it up for your first host of today. Let's hear it for Cade Huseby.
How you feeling? All right, thank you guys for coming tonight. It's gonna be a great show. So let's hear it for paper straws. Yeah, paper straws, they're everywhere. They're taking over now, paper straws. No more plastic straws, those get stuck in sea turtles' noses. You can't have those, no. But you gotta have paper straws. What's that? You're sucking on that smoothie? You want some of that smoothie? All of a sudden that paper straw is part of your smoothie. That's right, folks. You are sipping and eating on paper straw. That's not what you wanted when you walked in this Jamba Juice, but that's what you get because paper straws. My friend recently pointed out to me that I have a 16-year-old face, to which I argued, no. It's like a 14-year-old's face on growth hormones, okay? And then my other friend, which I'm like, why are you guys looking at me this much? Like, I don't look at you and like think about these things. But my other friend pointed out that I have a 50-year-old body. So I averaged the two numbers together. And I'm 33, you guys. I'm 33 fucking years old. I owe a lot of taxes, I guess. I don't know. But you know who's like a really good 33-year-old? Well, like, actually, no, he was like 33 like 10 years ago. He's like 43 now. It's like Michael Bublé. And like, you guys might know him from Starbucks. But anyways, Michael Bublé. This is my impression of Michael Bublé wanting a divorce. Every time I see your face, I want to get myself my own place. Yeah, he's just, Michael Bublé's one of those guys, you know, like, if he, like, said the worst news, like, and sang it, you'd be, like, down for, like, whatever he's serving, you know? It could be like, you have stage 4 cancer. And you know you eat that shit up like a cupcake, okay? Speaking of cupcakes, senior year of high school, a girl asked me to prom, right? And I said yes, because I'm a proud beta male. That's just how I roll. The cupcake was good. It's good. One of my friends pointed out to me that that the Me Too movement is being called a witch hunt. To which I say, if the Me Too movement is a witch hunt, then 9/11 was passive aggressive. Okay, like that's not really the situation that we're dealing with here. And so, like, to make sure my friend wouldn't put his grown man hands on my peen, what I did was I tied rocks to his feet and threw him in the river, right? I wanted to see if he'd float or burn or something. I don't know. I read it in a textbook once in high school. But honestly, you guys, like, I can't think of the next thing to say, so let me pull this out. Okay, so, you know, we're in Los Angeles, if you didn't know that. Los Angeles has got a bunch of overpasses and highways, and it's just, it looks like Dick Cheney's heart. Just a bunch of inconsistent thoroughways, right? And like some of those thoroughways have like open overpasses, which is concerning. And one of the worst things that you can see while you're driving in LA is a man leaning over a single overpass. You don't know his story. You don't know his name, but he's leaning over the overpass. He's looking down at the cars. I'm in one of the cars. I'm in standstill traffic because it's LA. So I got out of my car because it was stopped. I look up at the guy, I go, please wait till I move. I'm almost under you. Just give it a second, because I don't want guts on my windshield. That's not cute. It's not cute. So for my last minute of here, I just wanted to do a call and response game with you guys. Are you down?
Yeah.
All right, so when I say that weed was so good, I want you to yell back, how good was it? Okay? You good? Okay. That weed was so good.
How good was it?
I watched Michelle Obama greet guests at the White House for an hour and a half straight, okay? That's what I'm dealing with, okay? That weed was so good.
How good was it?
I cried at the end of Undercover Boss. You know the part where they give out all the money? That weed was so good.
How good was it?
It disassociated me from my pent-up childhood traumas that have built up over the past 20 years, manifesting in depression and anxiety. And finally, I was able to creatively and freely think on my own without having to face the gloom and doom of inevitable death after what, maybe 50 years of life on a planet that's been around for what? Millions of years before me, and will continue to exist for millions of years after me, and it's just a rock floating through an unknown collection of galaxies? That weed was good, y'all. All right, that's my time. Thank you guys so much. My name is Cade Huseby. Let's keep it going for our next comic of the night. He's the only man I would let spoil Avengers Endgame for me. Please welcome to the stage, John Lynch.
Woo!